getting its energy back.
Well, my lady, the lights are all green for you now. Green for glory.
Tasha would have loved this journey.
Yes, she would. And she'd love it that you're with me now.
So, Burnett, you didn't forget about magic. It's safe inside you.
Thomas!
You found her, and she's beautiful!
We're on the island of Sodor. Stop, Grandpa. Stop, lady. Hello, Junior. Hello, Mr. C. Mr. Conductor, this is my grandpa.
I'm glad you were able to find your way back. Junior, do you realize who this is?
I reckon this is one beautiful engine. This is the lost engine. Oh, are we glad to see you? Now we can go back to Shining Time.
Junior, we won't make it back to Shining Time without the gold dust. Without it, the magic can't exist.
Aha! There's the blue puffball! And look who he's with! Splodge! Come and destroy!
No, you do it yourself.
We don't like you.
Yeah, we mean that.
Emphatically.
Yeah, what does that mean?
I have no idea.
It's a good word.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Ah, who needs you, Splodge?
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous. What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust.
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone!
No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
You can run, but you can't hide! Right, Pinchy? Pinchy's hungry!
Get back!
Come on, lady.
Coming, Puffball! Look out! Here I come! Duck, Pinchy! I like my lunch steamed! Pretty fast for a puffball.
This is your shining time, too.
I hope so.
Come on, lady! Little engines can do big things!
Well done, Thomas. Well done.
Puffball! Teapot! Tin Kettle! Oh, well. Nice time of the year for a cruise.
But, Mr. Conductor, you still don't have your gold dust.
I think he will soon.
Wait a minute. Then watch the swirls that spin so well.
Swirls! Just like all the wonderful shavings around Lady when we were on the railroad. Is there anything else?
Of course there is. So well. A well means water. Lily, put the shavings in with the water.
Go ahead, Lily. Throw it up in the air.
Please. Please.
Now, Lily!
Gold dust. Gold dust.
Lady, you're a really helpful engine.
And helping each other brings to life the magic in all of us.
Come on, Mud. Let's look around.
Lily, I think I promised you something. Here. Take some.
So, cuz, how else can I help? You mean you don't want to go back to the beach?
Nah. Well, maybe for a holiday. But I'm ready to work. You got a job for me?
You know, Junior, there is a railroad.
With palm trees?
One or two.
And sunshine?
Sunny spells.
I'll take it. What's the way?
This is the way. Hello? Oh, yes, Sir Topham Hatt, sir. You're on your way back right now. Well, splendid news. I'll be at the sheds to welcome you. Oh, yes, sir. Everything is under control. Goodbye, sir. Well, see you in shining time.
Here, Grandpa. I'd like you to have this.
Well, how sweet of you, Lily. Here, give me the bluebird. I think we should share it. Now, we'll always remember our shining time together.
And so we've come to the happy end of our story. And it's time for all of us to go home. Just like Thomas.